Well, it appears they once again forgot to announce auditions for the winter musicale Juliet and Romeo, written by our very own Kelsey Nielsen. Oh, it is a brilliant neo-feminist piece that re-examines Shakespeare's classic tale of star-crossed lovers, but with an all-new happy ending. Mr. Bolton, this is a place of learning, not a football diamond. Thank you. Now, the drama club is a little light on male participants this year, so I especially want to encourage all of you gentlemen to audition. It is going to be the opportunity of a lifetime, the chance to be involved in a brand new artistic endeavor. I am offering you fun, glamour, extra credit, please.
Miss Lewis, shouldn't you talk about yourself and your classes and stuff like that?
Why would I do that for an audition reel?
I thought you needed help with your open house video.
No, this is my video audition monologue to play Miss Darbus in the upcoming Fantasy Playhouse production of High School Musical. I think I'm a shoo-in.
Emily, did you do your open house video?
No. Well, I just don't know how to start. Like, what should I say? What should I talk about? I mean, hi, I'm Miss L, and I teach a wide variety of theater classes down here in room 404. Now, this room is unlike any you've seen before. We have a stage on one side, and on the other, we have the risers. I love these. You can see we don't even have desks. We use clipboards.
Yeah, I mean, that's a really good start.
But then what do I say from there? I mean, I could talk about how I'm really excited to teach the new technical theater class, in addition to intermediate and advanced theater. And I mean, I could talk about how the theater class is going to learn all about designing for theater and backstage work, while the performance classes will still be learning all about acting and creating a play in preparation for their final performance.
Wait, they're still doing a play even though it's virtual learning?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Cool.
The intermediate class is going to do a one-act, and the advanced class does a full length. Then the technical class will help both of them.
That is super awesome. You should definitely talk about that.
But then there's still so much. I mean, I want to talk about family time in the circle, and we'll be going to state theater competition this year, and I have to talk about the llamas and explain my pet llama, Frederick.
Well, they're going to probably also want to know about your cast.
Oh, that was a vicious mountain lion attack.
In Madison?
A skiing incident?
In August?
Fine, it was a car wreck. Boring. But aside from the broken wrist, I am totally fine.
That's good. It sounds like you pretty much figured out your video. So I'm going to go. I've got stuff to do.
You're not going to stay and record me singing We're All in This Together?
No.